Hey folks, this is a quick overview of the RoverTac knife. Comes in a nice pouch that you can attach to your belt. So the knife feature, you need to kind of flip it quickly. Sometimes it doesn't lock. Now here it locks, so it shouldn't move back. So initially this thing wasn't flipping correctly, so I had to use some screwdriver to kind of push it, but now it works fine. So again, you can just flip quickly, and then to close the knife you need to push here and then move it back. And I like the pliers option in this. So you pull this this handle, and there's a long handle that you kind of pass through, and then it turns into pliers. And another feature that is really nice is, see this screwdriver. So in the pouch there are also some bits that come with it, and this particular bit goes in here, and I think it has some slight magnetic feature too, and then you can use it to do some quick repairs using this tool as well. And those are all the nice features of this RoverTac brand's knife. So thanks for watching. Bye.